Dust Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I am so happy that you joined me today. Today we're going to make some delicate journaling cards. But first, a shout out to Nancy, Kayrie, Christy B65, Maybelline, and Vicky. I appreciate each and every one of you. We're going to start with a cardstock that is 2.5 inches by 4 inches. And we're going to take our corner rounder and we're just going to round the corners. Just like that. Okay, then we're going to take our milled lavender and our gathered twigs and we're going to ink around the edge and we're going to put some pink inside and we're going to do both sides. And then we're going to punch out using a little punch over there, which I'll show you. So I'm going to do that very quickly and I'll be right back. All right, let's get our punch. Our punch is a Fisker's punch. Isn't that really pretty? We're just going to put our card right in and we're going to kind of eyeball the middle. It's about right there. My goodness, there we are. Isn't it adorable? It is so adorable. Let me get these little pieces out of the way and we'll continue on. So now that we have our little cards punched out like this, I have a piece of music paper that I went ahead and put the milled lavender on. I didn't use any of the gathered twigs. I just used the milled lavender. I thought maybe we could put it down the side like this. So let's do that. Get my glue stick and let's just get this done. Put it right here. Whoa, well that wasn't very good. Okay, there we are. I went ahead and I took some book pages that actually had some lines on it like that. And I took my punch, this punch here, and I punched out some little tags. And then I folded it right where the tag has the first little indentation there. I folded it right up to that mark. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it this way onto the tag. But first I think I would like to put a little bit of ribbon in this hole. So let's do that. Let's do that. Let's see. I am going to cut it a little bit long just because it's just going to make it easier that way, especially on camera. It's amazing how things go wonky on you when you're on camera. All right, so we're just going to make a little bow. Turned around here, the ribbon turned around for us. Okay, come on, bow. Cooperate for me, please. That's a sweet little bow. Now we're going to just attach this on here, but I'm not going to put it all the way down. I'm going to leave just a little bit of a tab, just a tiny tab. So I'm going to get my fabric tack. I'm going to let that drip down for just a second while I do the next thing so that we don't have to wait on that fabric tack. I have these adorable little girls with flowers. They come in these little tags like this. I think I got them on digitalcollage.com. I think I did. Anyway, I cut them out and I inked around and put a little bit of pink on it. I think I would like to put her there and maybe a few little flowers on the side. Okay, let's just get her down so that we can see where we're at, and we can probably put our little tab on. I'm sure that the glue has come down now that I can do that. It's a little crooked, make her a little straighter. Okay, now what happened to it? Here it is. Here it is, here it is. I'm just going to put a little glue on here. Make sure that it's open. I lost my lid, you know, and now I use a pretty little pin stuck in it. Let's put this on. Okay, I'm going to put some more glue down here on this part. I am going to glue this little bow down as well. Over time it will undo itself. That they're just known to do that. And I'm going to cut the tails. I think maybe to soften that a little bit, I might want to put a little bit of lace on that tag. Let me see here. Just a tiny bit, maybe even folded would be good. No, not folded. I think just a little tiny bit. I have to take the pin out. There we go. Once again, we're waiting on that silly glue. There we are. Just putting a little bit of lace right there. It'll just soften that tag a little bit because this is a very, excuse me, is a very delicate little tag. I think I'd like to put a little something else down below here. I'm not sure what. Maybe just something like this. That's very, very sweet. Let's get our glue on there. All right, now let's see how we look here. Oh, I think it's adorable. Just like that. You guys, if you enjoyed my video, please share and subscribe and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from all of you. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.